Struggling with slow tire inflations and weak pneumatic tools? What if you could unleash professional-grade power right in your garage or on the go? Today, we're revealing the top 5 air compressors that deliver unmatched performance, portability, and value, so you can conquer any project without missing a beat. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Kenson AC/DC Tire Inflator and Air Compressor Pump. The best budget air compressor. Need a reliable air compressor without breaking the bank? Kenson AC/DC Tire Inflator and Air Compressor Pump is your best bet for budget-conscious shoppers. This compact powerhouse performs exceptionally well, effortlessly inflating vehicle and bicycle tires. 2 motors deliver a power burst, making quick work of pool toys, basketballs, and volleyballs. Going to the beach? Inflate your floaties in minutes. Compact design fits snugly in your car trunk or RV, adding convenience. Even if you lack technical expertise, using this compressor is a breeze. Included adapters cater to various needs, ensuring versatility. Programming the desired pressure is simple. Once it reaches the limit, the compressor shuts off automatically. You can easily monitor the pressure with the clear digital LED gauge. This feature sets it apart from similar models. Though its lower PSI may not suit heavy-duty needs, it works perfectly for daily tasks. One highlight is the integrated LED light, making nighttime tire changes less stressful. Positioning your compressor in low light conditions becomes manageable. While needing a power source means it isn't fully portable, having both a 110-volt outlet and a 12-volt car cigarette lighter keeps it versatile, allowing for use on the go. Up next, a versatile pancake powerhouse with dual outlets and rock-solid 150 PSI performance. At number 4, we have Porter Cable. 6-gallon pancake air compressor, the best value air compressor. Need a reliable air compressor? The Porter Cable 6-gallon pancake air compressor stands out as the best value choice for many DIY enthusiasts. Its pancake shape makes it compact, easy to store, and great for small projects around the house. One of the biggest advantages is its dual outlets. You can operate 2 nailers or staplers at once, saving you time and hassle during your tasks. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi, this model efficiently powers low-flow pneumatic tools, perfect for those everyday jobs like inflating tires or holiday decorations. Maintenance is a breeze with this air compressor. You won't need to worry about oil changes or complicated upkeep. Simply plug it in and switch it on. This ease of use makes it accessible for beginners, letting you dive right into projects without a learning curve. While it's relatively loud at 82 decibels, this noise level is standard for compressors of this type. Keep in mind that you'll likely be using it outside or in a garage, mitigating noise concerns. Weighing in at just 30 pounds, it is significantly lighter than comparable models, making it portable and easy to transport, even without wheels. What I love most is how straightforward it is, making DIY projects more enjoyable. Don't go anywhere. Next up is a compact powerhouse with dual outlets and rock-steady 150 PSI performance. Still searching for the perfect air compressor? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have California Air Tools 1-gallon 1P1060S, the best small portable air compressor. Compact and powerful, California Air Tools 1-gallon 1P1060S stands out in the crowded air compressor market. After extensive testing, it's clear why this model shines as the best small portable air compressor available. First up, it delivers a remarkable 1.2 cubic feet per minute at 90 psi. This 20% increase over competitors makes a noticeable difference. Whether you're inflating tires or powering tools, this compressor can keep up with your projects without skipping a beat. Its 120 psi max pressure may seem lower compared to the common 125 psi, yet it still efficiently handles most applications. You won't struggle to use common tools, making it suitable for various tasks. Exceptional quiet operation adds to its charm. Your working environment remains peaceful, enhancing the overall experience while you work. Lightweight and easy to transport, you can take it anywhere. Whether it's for home use or job sites, portability is a major plus. Additionally, the well-designed roll cage gives extra protection, reducing wear and tear over time. While the compressor lacks some advanced features present in larger models, this simplicity works in its favor. You get exactly what you need without unnecessary extras. What stands out most is undoubtedly its reliable performance and convenience. Small, efficient, and user-friendly, this air compressor meets the challenges of everyday tasks. Don't miss how a pocket-sized inflator can turn your car's trunk into a roadside rescue station. At number 2, we have Astro AI Portable Air Compressor, the best air compressor for cars. Imagine never worrying about flat tires again. The Astro AI Portable Air Compressor offers a reliable solution for drivers. Its compact design makes it ideal for anyone needing tire inflation on the go. First, you will appreciate the compressor's weight. At just over 2 pounds, it fits effortlessly in your car's trunk or glove box. This portability ensures you can carry it anywhere without hassle. Next, the setup process is straightforward. Simply connect it to your tire's valve and set your desired pressure level. It effortlessly reaches up to 12 volts, making it powerful enough for most vehicles. Another standout feature includes the backlit screen. You can easily monitor pressure levels even in low light conditions. This convenience enhances usability during nighttime emergencies. Additionally, many similar models lack this feature, so it's a notable advantage for the Astro AI. One aspect to consider is the compressor's power cord length. While it could be slightly longer for some larger vehicles, it still reaches most tire valves comfortably. What I love most about this portable air compressor is its reliability. With extensive testing, it consistently inflates tires efficiently without overheating. Few products offer this level of performance in such a compact package. For drivers seeking peace of mind, the Astro AI Portable Air Compressor stands out as a top pick. Keep watching to discover the ultra-quiet, compact wonder that slips into any toolbox, yet packs a punch. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor, the best air compressor overall. Power meets portability with the DeWalt Pancake Air Compressor. After extensive use, this model proves to be the best air compressor overall, especially for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. One standout feature is its lightweight design. Weighing under 30 pounds, it's incredibly easy to transport. Whether moving between jobs or storing it away, you'll appreciate the sturdy handle on top. Additionally, delivering a maximum of 2.6 cubic feet per minute at 90 psi gives you enough power to run finish and framing nailers effortlessly. Equipped with 2 couplers, this compressor shines when powering multiple lighter-duty tools simultaneously. Imagine finishing a project without interruptions to switch tools. Noise levels also wow, producing less than 80 decibels when operational. Compared to similar models, this is impressively quiet, making it perfect for residential use or neighborhoods where noise control is essential. While it handles most tasks well, more demanding tools like impact wrenches require higher CFM ratings. This could limit you if those tools are part of your regular toolkit. However, for most air tools, it provides efficient performance without the hassle of constant refilling. What I love most about this compressor is its balance of power and convenience. It's reliable, versatile, and excels in portability. If you're searching for a compressor that meets most air tool demands while being easy to carry, this model definitely stands out. Up next, a versatile pancake powerhouse with dual outlets and rock-solid 150 psi performance. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best air compressors. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which air compressor you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.